Hey guys, what's up? Um, Back from the dead. Yep. Alright guys, today we're gonna do a, a food review. It's gonna be Snickers, you know. There's a trick to this, you know. If you say it enough time, another word comes out. Oh jeez. I'm not gonna demonstrate it, but you could try it yourself. Go on, say it. I'll wait. Snicker bar. Yeah. Yeah, here it is. Snickers, and some Snicker bars in the back have like different words. This one is hold up, I didn't read it. This one says satisfies, as you can see right here. Yeah. Let's see. Distributed by Mars Chocolate North America. Alright, I actually didn't know that. Alright, contains peanuts, milk, eggs, and tree nuts. Alright. Let's see. We don't give a shit about the calories. You don't care. We just want the fucking chocolate. Damn, look at this. You know. Oh, you can definitely smell that nut. That chocolate tree nut. Yep. Let's see. What? Nothing. Is that like a litter? What the fuck did I just? There's like a pattern to this. Let me see if you can see this. Hold up. Let's see. Yeah. You see right here? Like right here is like a pattern. Yeah. Let's see. Split it in half. Get some ASMR out of this. Hold up. Ooh, you see that? Damn. I don't know what the fuck this white chip's called. I'm guessing that's the tree nut. And that's the caramel. And that's the peanuts. Alright. First bite. Pretty good. Definitely taste that caramel. I don't taste that much peanuts though, so yeah. It's pretty good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, why did I have to say that joke earlier in the video? Oh well. I can't do nothing about it. Oh yeah, here's, the wrapper right here. Pretty good. Definitely tasted the caramel and the chocolate. Not that much peanuts though. The tree nut, if it's that white stuff, the white little the thing that I said, that was the white little thing, earlier in the video. If that's what it was, then yeah, I taste that. Pretty good. Alright, that'll do it for this video. Sorry I haven't been posting that much, cause school sucks. But at the same time, it's entertaining, It gets me through the day, quite literally, cause I spend like about 4 hours there, or 5. I'm not sure, you know. Oh well. You know, if you know, got any alright, thinking of you doing a Q&A. So if you got any questions, put down a comment. I know if you don't want to, yeah, don't. You know, if you don't want to, just don't. It doesn't really matter to me. So yeah. I'll see you then. Bye.